very beautiful. A little on the order of the Grand Canyon, coming right out of the prairie. We drove for a while. We had both been there before, years before, when we were much younger. Something about the whole thing was not quite making it for us this time. And we pulled into this scenic, I think they called it a viewing point. I think they were called viewing points. Little parking lots on the edge of the promontory that juts out over the panoramic rock of the Badlands. And we never talked about it, but we just sort of stepped over the fence and started walking into the scenic view. And just ingested some kind of, inhaled some sort of breath of bravery or something. We had to know that, I mean, there were signs and everything. You can't leave the little cul-de-sac. We walked down into the scenic view. We pierced the scenic view. We committed the crime of becoming people inside other people's scenic view.